Hi friends, it's Lilo, and today we're gonna work on a super fun art project. We are going to use a plain white piece of paper and whatever materials you can find at home. It could be crayons, watercolors, acrylic paints, markers, whatever you can find. Go gather your stuff, set up your space, and let's start. Okay friends, are we ready? Today we're gonna make a graphic personality portrait. What does this mean? It means we're gonna represent everything about ourselves, everything about our personalities, who we are and what we like with color and symbols. By symbols, we mean letters, shapes, numbers, anything we can use to represent whatever defines us. Okay, so who am I? That's the question. That's the first question we're gonna ask ourselves. Who am I? And number two, what do I like? Just keep asking yourself, who am I? What do I like? Are we ready to share our compositions, friends? Let's do it all together. In 3, 2, 1, go! Show me your compositions. I used all my favorite colors. I made sure I did everything I really like, and I added every single aspect of my personality. I really hope you did the same thing. They look amazing, they look colorful, they look fun, and I can't wait for our next project. It's gonna be even more fun. So don't forget to share with all your friends and family, and see you next time.